Good evening, morning, afternoon, learners, wherever you are and in which time zone we find you. My name is Derek Simons. I am a landscape architect and I am your host this week. This week, the discipline of design takes central stage. We do that not just because spatial quality was the second main goal in the Dutch Room for the River program, but because we are convinced that design, hand in hand with civil engineering and governance aspects, has an important role to play in river projects. And this role that is true, I think, for all projects, from projects regarding adaptation to the effects of climate change, to projects pivoting around mitigating climate change, the energy transition that is, of course, and even projects on stopping the erosion of biodiversity. Why do we think so? Isn't that hubristic exaggeration? Design can't do this alone. It can't work miracles. And most people would say design is luxury, superfluous. Solving these complex and even wicked problems is hard enough. Let's not designers get in the way and make things even more complicated, will be the inclination of most project managers. Counterintuitively, design, when positioned well in a project and properly practiced, will not only produce better results, but also enables one to stay within the budget and make us able to finish the execution within the time frame, like we learned in the Room for River program. To understand that, we must see that design has a layered character. The base layer of design is just plain old-fashioned traditional problem solving. Within the precondition of that basic solution, the second layer is about producing a new synthesis of all the requirements of the project, being technique, ecology, human experience, finance, you name it. Design is about bringing things together. The third layer is giving form, giving a meaningful spatial expression, reacting on the specific situation, the specific landscape and the specific context, planning context. Thus, design is not about beauty in the first place, but might produce beauty as a resultant of a project. We are not pretending to teach you how to design in 1 week. That would be ridiculous. The global mean education time for a landscape architect, example given, is 7.1 years. Why that long? Because designing is both knowledge and skill. To merge these two and to learn the hand, eye and head coordination of a designer takes a lot of time and a lot of practice. What we are going to do is letting you work with the program of requirement, the outcome of last week, and make some basic design steps. And also let you ponder on the design consideration you would find interesting for your chosen river segment. We will do so step by step in 6 iterations, bringing in considerations one by one to optimize your design. Don't worry, this can be done in words, matrices and lists. The outcome of this week would ideally be an informed and founded prioritized list of design considerations applicable in your river section. And for the daring of you, facultative, a design sketch of your chosen section. Like we do in every week, we start with a short illustrative video. This week, how a French landscape architect, Georges Descombes, designed the renaturation of the river Lers, near Reims in France. A beautiful example of merging hydraulic, ecological with cultural consideration. The Aire is only a small river, of course, but it works fine as an example of what design can do. Good luck!